What's up, guys? It's Thunder Breezy. I'm living easy. I might step outside, catch me a floozy with my doggies.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Thunder Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, y'all know how we do it. Might step outside, might catch me a floozy. Yeah. Y'all long time listeners, y'all know what that sound is. Rubbing, no, this ain't no fat girl thighs. I heard you. Rubbing my hands together like Birdman, baby. I'm tripping already, man. Hold on, the video ain't even started yet. I'm crazy, man. Hey, when you in drip, boy, you just be happy. You know what I'm saying? People say money don't make you happy, boy. That shit sure make you giggle, though, boy. That's just, shit, we giggling like a mother. Well, you see it. I ain't even gotta tell you. You know what I'm saying? I go straight to the price. I ain't ashamed. You know, we here, baby. We a year a month, year and 2 months in. I don't know what to tell you, man. It's simply the best performing financial asset to ever be created. Period. They just came out of nowhere. And it's still paying. Now remember this now. Cause when the bull market come, now we in a bear market. I don't know how, we might be in a 5 years. But when the bull market come and everything, Bitcoin going 100,000 and all that, just remember who got you through, who got you over. Now it was God, but it was also Drip. It was also Drip. You know, it got you through there. So you have to salute Drip. No matter what happens, Drip getting a lot of people up through there, boy. This thing, that's why the haters be so mad. They be like, why are they still happy? Why are they still so positive? Boy, this thing still paying a lot of people bills, bro. This thing still paying. A lot of people in Drip don't even care about no gas price. They pay this bitch filling a lot of tanks, boy. Oh man, speaking of gas, I gotta speak on that. I won some money today, right? Now I'm stunned, bro, by the misinformation that people receive. Where they getting their information? I'm thinking, people in crypto are a little smarter than the average person, right? But I should have known, because every time people start using words like, leftists and right-wing extremists and all this old carrying on, them words are just used to separate us, bro. That's all they are. And people do that, you know what I'm saying? I guess they trying to seem smart or trying to identify themselves with somebody. I don't know. That's fine. I don't use them kind of terms, bro. I just educate myself. So what happened was, there was a topic on gas prices and people just yapping and yapping. I'm just listening. Okay, fine. So somebody said, yeah, Saudi Arabia and Russia producing all the oil and the United States just sitting on their thumbs or something. I'm like, what? I said, no, bro. I said, the United States is the world's biggest oil producer. And it ain't even close. I wasn't even trying to win no money. I was just trying to educate the people. No. You're just the leftist and you're trying to do this and that and that. Bro, I'm just stating a fact. What that got to do with right and left? It's a fact. No, it ain't right. You want to bet? I bet you. Whatever you. Bro, I ain't trying to bet. We can bet over $100. You know what I'm saying? You can bet over $100. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? But to me, it was just, I was stunned by the fact that he was so sure that Saudi Arabia was the world's leading oil producer in 2020 right now. No, they're not. It's not even, the funny part, it's not even close. It ain't like it's, well, they were yesterday a little bit. It ain't even close. Like the United States is pumping out oil, man, left and right. Gas prices it's very simple, like I said the other day, with everything else in the world, any other commodity. Supply and demand, bro. The reason gas prices up because we keep driving. We keep buying bigger cars, big trucks, big cars, big diesels, 12 cylinders, 8 cylinders, 6 cylinders around the world. It's not even a United States thing. It's a world thing. Look up gas prices in Hong Kong, anywhere else, bro. It's a world issue. Supply and demand. There's more people, more cars, more driving. You got 16-year-olds getting cars every day getting on the road. People getting licensed every day getting on the road. Old people still driving. That's just, I don't understand how we live in this new age and people are still misinformed, bro. That's the part I be stunned about. How? You got Google right there. And people they swear they be so right. And they be so emotional. You know, I don't get emotional. All right, bro, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I just had to tell that story. I thought people in crypto was a little bit more intelligent, you know what I'm saying, about world affairs and things that's going on, you know. I guess they just want to get in and just call people names and stuff, I don't know. But anyway, drip still dripping. We do know that, you know what I'm saying. But we're going to keep it moving. Them drip ain't. Oh. If you lasted this long in the video, you know what I'm finna do. We gotta do the airdrop. So, make a comment, put your address. You might get it, you might not. This ain't no everybody participate, win award. I just go through, pick out different people, and I put it on the thing, and I show it to you. Show you everybody who win. Straight transparency over here, Jack. So if you lasted it long, some people don't last it long. Especially soon they start hearing right wing and left wing. I'm out. I get it. But anyway, man, better comment, put your address in there, give it to you, man. Don't matter what you are, what color you are, how tall you are, how short you are. Hey, man, Pride Month, it don't even matter, man. Give away this money. But anyway, let's keep it moving, shall we? Over here to AAVE. Let's see what we got. What we had? 328 in the lobby. Wasn't that bad, but it might be leveling off. Cause it was dropping off precipitously here. You know what I'm saying? It was like 200-day drop, then it was 100-day drop, and there was another like close to 100. Right here, it was only like a 60 BNB drop. So we might be leveling off around 300. It might be the time to well up. Now you should have welled up back here, but I know you following the guy that told you, man, the whales just gonna dump it all on your head, and then they're getting the referrals and don't even know how the platform work, bro. This is one of the only platforms where whales ain't got no control. Whale just is like everybody else. You can't do nothing but get your daily PNB out. That's it. And I can show you. It don't matter how many tokens I got. Let's say I got 1 million tokens, right? But is that a lot? Yeah, no. It's 1 million a lot? I guess 1 million a lot. But let's say I got 1 million, right? I got 1 million right here. I got 1 million tokens. Oh man, I see. I don't like this play. I'm just gonna dump it. I'm gonna take it all out, and go dump it. It don't work that way. AVC don't even have a value. What's the dump? I'm trying to figure out when people say that, like, okay, whales dump on you. How? Show me. Where's the secret AAVE society where whales are dumping? You can't. It's just like today. I got 1 stake ending. All I can get on that platform is 1.4 BNB. That's it, because that's all I got staked today. Ain't nothing else I can do. I can't get this 2 right here. I can't get this 9. If something happened to the platform, it's all gone. I can't get it. So I just don't understand. People just be saying stuff, bro. They really just be saying stuff. The misinformation again in crypto. But hey, y'all run with that. But all I'm going to do is take that, collect it, add it with the rest of it, and then I'm going to have another stake that says 22 and 28. See, I'm going to stake it for 6 days. Just the same day, 22. And see, that's 6 days in between. That's all I do is 6. That's me. Your days, you can be 30. You know what I'm saying? You could be 40. A lot of people got 30-day stakes that's going to start producing here in a couple of days. I think it's on day 33. Some see 30 from, day 3 probably going to be, I think it's day 33. Somewhere between day 30 and day 33. People going to be collecting bid, be like, hey, oh my God, boy. But boy, I'm already getting mine. I ain't, by the time they get there, I already got mine. You know what I'm saying? That's why I do what I do. I show you how to do it. Every day, I come in and show you how to do it. Nah, son, I ain't doing that. 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 Well, starting making money. Let me jump in here day 22, see what this thing do. Anyway, man, let's keep it moving. Hold on, let me look at drip one more time. I just like looking at it. Oh, man, so beautiful. Jump on over to Animal Farm, see what the price is. 69, 65. Oh, man, I tried to catch it at 69, 69. You know what I'm saying? Hey, rub my hat to the back like Billy D. Weave. You know what I'm saying? Like that right here. Oh, I'm messing it up. But anyway, man, yeah, man, still paying. No, if you didn't know, this is the night before. This is actually the Thursday night I'm doing this video. So I did my stuff this morning. Still got a little couple dollars in here, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, still paying, baby. I don't know what you want me to say. Animal Farm is still paying, baby. You know what I mean? So waiting on the game. Everybody waiting on the dogs and the actual farm to open. I'm waiting too. We're going to see what they do, baby. See what they do. Y'all know When the dog game and the pig game start, that's when you make your money in the beginning. Don't come to me no 20 days later. I'm like, hey man, you think it's good to get in? I don't know, bro. I just get in the beginning and hope for the best. That's all you can do in crypto, baby. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's keep it moving. BNB miner, hey, you just think it's just a certified monster, boy. Certified. Let me connect my wallet, man. I'm telling you, I've been hyper compounded like a madman. You see, I'm up over 61. I got what? Almost a BNB 0.9. Finna compound that. Blockchain don't lie, baby. Blockchain don't lie. Roll with the contract. The contract going up, just compound your way up. Just compound your TVL. If it ain't growing fast enough for you, throw you a couple of BNB in there, baby. You know what I'm saying? Come on now, let's get this compound going. You sleep. My better man be on that Jack and Coke. I know some of y'all like, well, that Jack and Coke, but they don't sleep on that Jack and Coke. Boy. I know. I'll be drinking that tequila. I don't like tequila, man. I don't drink tequila. Bam, there we go. Now we up to 62 confirmed transactions. But I be hyper compound. You see the bar? Man, y'all see it just growing and grow. Y'all see it. Just like you see my drip. Let me see where I'm at on drip. Let me go back over here to drip. You see in drip, boy, I'm about to max out another account. I'm about to max. I mean, you're going to hydrate that. And that's over a day's pay, but 2,500. Hydrate that. Bam. Man, I'm going to still do the airdrop. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do, baby. That's what I do. I'm a man of the people. Team still growing. People still coming in this thing. Why you see it? You see it. Don't act like your numbers don't lie. The haters don't show you. They don't like to show you that. You know what I'm saying? People, they loving it, man. They loving it. My MetaMask don't love it. Don't want me to compound. But I'm going to hydrate, baby. It's just not going to give me the finger today, man. It just ain't going to let your boy get the old finger today. I see how you want to play. And there we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. They'll probably get me around about 22.8. Hopefully 0.9. There we go, baby. Compound success. Bam. That's all we need for it to go from there to there. We good. There we go. Boom. There it is. 22.8. You seen it, baby. That's what I do. I don't know what they be talking about. Well, just be dumping the contract. I don't know what well they talking about. I'm a man of the people. I'm in it for life. For life, Mac 10. Belling through the hood in stride. Hey, man. You know what I'm finna say. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.